How to clean the throttle body in your Chevy Malibu. I am Stephen Wimberly, and this is Working with Wimberly. I'm going to be cleaning the throttle body on this Chevy Malibu. The throttle body is on the back of the motor right here. We just need to release this clamp, get the hose off, and then we can get to it and clean it. I have my throttle body cleaner and a clean rag to do so. So I'm gonna pry out the steel clamp right here. So I've got the clamp off. Now we should be able to get the hose off. And now we can see inside the throttle body. So I'm just gonna spray it, wipe it down, and get it as clean as I can. So with the throttle body all cleaned out, we'll go ahead, put the intake tube back on, and snap our clamp back on. And this job is done. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment. God bless you all.